Hi guys, welcome back on Tech8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add multiple accounts on Crunchyroll. First of all, you can open the Crunchyroll application. I can already open the app. After opening them, you can just simply go to the account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will find the option logout. Tap on logout, and now you can tap on create account at bottom middle of the screen at very last, and after this you can enter the email or password to create a new account. And after putting all of the information that Crunchyroll is required, the account is created, and this is the way you can add multiple accounts on Crunchyroll. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.